kasi ito ang pasyente natin ay wala ng malay, unconscious. Okay? So anong gagawin natin? Sabihin natin before performing CPR, what are we going to do first? Survey the scene. The area, baka yung papasukan mong area ay may hazard. Okay? So baka mamaya ay may bumabagsak pala ng mga debris doon, babagsakan ka ng kung ano-ano. Ayun. So you have to check for your safety muna. Safety muna before safety ng iba. Okay? So let's say, survey the scene. Oh, the scene is safe. Okay? And then we are going to approach the victim. Check for the victim responsiveness. Okay? So how we are going to check the victim responsiveness? Sabi mo, hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Dapat merong urgent doon sa pag-check ng responsiveness ng victim. Baka sa, hey sir. Medyo may urgent doon sa pag-check mo ng responsiveness ng victim. Okay? And then you have to, ito kailangan sabihin nyo rin ito kasi ito nakakalimutan ito eh.
The victim is unresponsive.
Sabi mo, hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? The victim is unresponsive. Okay, so walang responsive yung victim. Okay, so what will you do next? Oh, you have to check for the pulse and breathing. Saan tayo nag-check ng pulse and breathing? Pag adult, sa carotid tayo.
Carotid.
Carotid pulse. Asan yung carotid pulse? Nandito. Okay, may tanda na to, kulay blue.
May lalim ng abdo.
Mamaya dito. Sa carotid tayo guys, kasi mas accessible sa
dito,
carotid. Tsaka ito yung mas malakas ang intake. Okay? So we are going to check dito sa carotid pulse. Okay? So how we'll check it? You have to count to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The victim has no pulse. Pero has no pulse and breathing, nakaganon ka dapat. Kasi syempre, papakinggan mo, i-feel mo kung may lumalabas na hangin sa ilong or sa bibig. Okay? The victim has, after 10 seconds, the victim has no pulse and breathing. Okay, anong next mo gagawin? Activate EMS. Hey you ma'am. Hey you ma'am. And report back to me. Okay, so pag sinabi kasi natin AED, ito yon. Ayan. So this is an AED. Okay. So kung meron ng available sa AED dun sa kung saan man siya, ayun. Ay kung wala, balik ka pa rin. Kunyari, kasi tinuro ko, ma'am, balik ka pag kung may AED o wala. O, balik ka pa rin sa akin. Kasi wala po ako nakagilap na AED. Ano yung AED? Ayan. Okay, so balik ka pa rin. Okay? Activate EMS. Okay, nag-call na siya ng 911. Ano pa ba? Oh, you have to report back to me if there is a AED available. Or kahit walang AED na available, you have to report back to the kung sino yung nag-utos sa'yo. Ayun. Pero syempre, nag-call ka na ng 911 doon. Okay? So you have to begin CPR na. Kasi syempre, baka 5 minutes pa or 10 minutes, 15 minutes pa yung 911 mo. O you have to perform na a chest compression. Okay? I-move muna natin ito ng konti. CPR. Okay? Sabi nga natin, that is 30 chest compression. Okay, and we have to give 2 rescue blows. Okay? So, to perform a chest compression, dapat alam natin kung saan ba natin ilalagay yung ating kamay. Okay? So, we are going to use the heel of our palm. Ito yon. Hindi itong buong kamay, ha? Hindi ganon.
Wala ko alam
hindi ganyan. Okay? Dito, heel of the palm. And then, look for the sternum. Okay? The xiphoid process. Saan ba yung xiphoid process? Nandito sa gitna. Sa may
buto dito.
Ito yung xiphoid process natin. Ito yung pinakadulo ng sternum. Okay? So, we are going to place the heel of our palm lang dito. at the center.
Ay, sisinda lang sa atin.
Oo, sa center of the chest or sa may sternum. Dito natin ilalapag. Dahil adult ito, so we are going to use a two hand. Okay, so dalawang kamay. Okay, so dito, dapat at least 2 inches yung depth pag nag-perform ng chest compression. 2 inches. Okay, so paano mo malalaman kung 2 inches yan? Okay, so dapat yung position ng kamay natin, dapat straight yung arm. Ito, straight ito. And then, pag nag-perform ng compression ganyan, dapat ang nagbibigay ng bigat is the shoulder. Okay? Pag ganon. Ito ang nagbibigay ng bigat. Yung shoulder, hindi yung buong katawan mo yung mo.
Ma'am, hindi ba mababali yung ribs?
Ayun. So, dito naman, hindi natin maiiwasan na pwedeng mabali yung ribs. Kaya nga, dapat ito ang nakalagay lang dito kasi baka mamaya nilapag mo pati ito. Oo, nilapag mo ito. Syempre, pack. So, mali talaga yung
Kaya pala pag ganun.
yung ribs. Kaya nga dapat ito lang. Kasi kung pati ito nilapag mo doon, gumanon ka, mababali talaga yung ribs ng victim. Pero hindi maiiwasan.
Ay, yung pressure,
Okay.
ma'am, dapat nandito
Oo,
may pressure.
yung pressure is nandito lang at dito lang sa may gitna lang. Okay, kaya nga, yung pressure na ibibigay mo, manggagaling lang dito, pero hindi sa buong katawan. Ito lang. Sa may balikat lang ang magbibigay. Ito lang ang pinupush mo, balikat lang. Okay, balikat lang ang nagbibigay ng bigat, hindi yung buong katawan. Kaya nga dapat straight yung kamay. Nagigets?
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi nakikita lang online.
Nakita naman. Kita naman nila.
Ah,
Okay, sabihin nyo kasi palm dito, heel lang ng palm, dito sa may xiphoid process, ito yung sternum kasi natin, so dito lang tayo, with the heel of the palm, and then, straight lang yung arm, and then, ang magbibigay lang po ng pressure is the shoulder lang, ito lang, ang magpupush. Dito, maririnig mo dito kung tama yung lalim. Nakikita niyo yung dalawang ilaw?
Yes.
Ibig sabihin,
Nagyan siya.
na-hit mo yung 2 inches na yan.
sa balikat.
Okay? Pag nagtatlo yan, ibig sabihin masyado kang mabilis. Oo, masyado mabilis yan. Ibig sabihin, may in-order kayo sa baba na Shopee. Ayun, sa baba. Among pula yan. Pag pula yan, kunyari, ibig sabihin,
Mali.
mali.
Hindi na
Or, ito naman, pag isa, yan, red, ibig sabihin wala kang na-hit dyan. May mali kang ginawa. Okay? So, dapat maintain sa, kunyari, nagtatlo yan, tatlo, mabilis. O, i-maintain mo na lang na babalik sa
Dalawa.
dalawa. Okay? So, dito, magbibilang ka na dito ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Ibig sabihin, naka 1 cycle ka na nun.
1 cycle.
Okay,
Then
and
breath.
then, we perform nakakahinga talaga, girl. We are going to give a to rescue blow after the 30 chest compression. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Okay, so to open the airway of the victim, you are going to head tilt. I-head tilt natin yung ulo ng victim. Ganyan. Head tilt. Uy, bakit ang tigas mo? Head tilt. Head tilt, chin lift, and you are going
Head
to pinch
tip
the
and
nose.
chin lift.
Okay, kasi kung hindi mo ipipinch yung nose, hindi papasok yung hangin na ibibigay mo. Okay? So, sabi nga natin, paano yun, ma'am? Kasi nga,
Hiningal ka na, ma'am.
hindi correlative. So, pwedeng puro lang chest compression ang ibibigay mo. Okay? So, 5 cycle nun na puro chest
Pag
compression.
ma'am,
Kung ayaw mong magbigay ng rescue
5
breathing.
cycle.
Oo. So, okay lang naman na hindi ka magbigay ng rescue breath. Pero yung chest compression, ibibigay mo yon. tuloy-tuloy 5 cycle. O let's say, gusto mo talaga magbigay ng rescue breath. Okay? Pero dapat, meron kang gagamiting CPR shield. Ito, CPR shield ito. Meron din tayong, aray ko, sakit sa tuhod. Pwede ba maglayo? Oo, may anak. Ito.
Yeah. Ano nga yan?
Ambubag. Pero ambubag ay what?
Bubag, brand.
Brand yun. Okay, so ito ay rebreather ito. Kung wala ka nito, ayan, so kung wala ka nito, ang gagawin mo ay mano-mano ka. Okay? Kasi syempre meron lang ganito, hospital lang eh. Kailangan naman, ano ka lang,
Bumili
is ordinaryong tao ka naman, bibit-bit ka ng ganito. Diba?
Pero sa bag lang.
Oo, pero sa bag mo lang. Ayan. Pero sa mga hospital,
Parang nag-aabang ka lagi ng ano.
So, secure
Pero kung
shield.
wala, perform chest compression. Okay?
Paano yan?
So,
Sapin.
this is a what? CPR shield.
CPR shield.
Okay, kung ayaw mo talaga kasi syempre, hindi mo kilala ito, baka
Ah.
mamaya ay may TB yung patient. Ayan, hindi may TB ka na rin, o palagyan mo na lang ng signal. Ayan.
Pero okay lang po ma'am, kahit wala po talagang ano, ganyan.
Oh, so, ikaw, kung gusto mong
Ikaw
bigyan siya na ano, pwede din naman, pero kung talaga ayaw mo, chest compression,
5 cycle.
o 5 cycle, pwede na yan, kahit lang. Mas i-prioritize mo ang chest compression kaysa sa rescue breathing. Okay?
Sa bata siguro kaya.
Okay, sabihin natin how will open the airway of the victim. Sabihin natin, head, tail,
Tail and
chin
chin
lip,
lip.
pinch the nose.
Pinch the nose.
Okay, and then place muna natin ito. Head, tail, chin lip, pinch the nose, and then we'll give a rescue blow. May umangat dito?
Hindi. Sa
Wala.
pamam.
Ayun. So, nagbigay na ako ng isa. Kasi sabi natin,
Ang ganda
rescue
naman
blow,
dito.
di ba? So, magbibilang ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May umangat?
Wala
Wala. Okay. Rescue breath. Magbibigay pa ba ako ng pangatlo?
Hindi na ma'am.
Hindi na. Kasi, kung magdadagdag tayo ng isa, okay, meron tayong maiba-violate. Ano yon? Yung 10-second rule. Okay? Yung 10-second rules kasi natin is hindi na natin masusunod yung oras ng pagbigay ng chest compression. Ma-violate natin yon. Okay? So, okay lang na hindi na tayo magbigay kasi dalawa lang naman hinihingi. O kunyari, parehong hindi pumasok yung hangin na binigay ko. Okay lang yon. Better luck next cycle. O, next cycle na ako ulit kunyari. 30, ay, 9, 2. Okay, give rescue blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May pumasok?
Wala ma'am.
Wala pa rin. Okay, so another cycle ulit. O, cycle 3. Bakit wala?
Baka
Hindi mo
kailangan
pumasok.
ng kompleto kasi yung compression.
Wala pa rin.
Meron.
Maangat.
May
Konti
umangat
lang ma'am.
konti.
Konti lang.
Ayun, so okay lang yon, may umangat ng konti. Okay, ibig sabihin, may pumasok pa rin na hangin. Pero wag mo naman siya masyadong bigyan ng ganito. Tingnan ko kung may pumasok.
Ayan!
Ayun, ang pumasok pa.
Huwag ganon.
Ibig sabihin, pumasok talaga yon.
Huwag.
Okay, pero wag naman ganong masyadong kalakas.
Ah.
Okay?
Malulunod.
Kasi, pwedeng sumabog yung lungs ng victim. Okay, so dapat,
Kailangan ko ano.
umangat lang siya ng konti,
Konti
pwede
lang.
na yun. Ibig sabihin, may pumasok. Okay?
Yung si Puwersa
So, continue.
na.
So, wag masyadong pwersa ang pagbigay ng rescue breath. Okay? O, diretso ka na ulit sa 4th cycle. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, meron na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! Sa 5th
Five
cycle na
cycle.
tayo. O 5th cycle. Okay, so rescue blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dapat dito, pag nagbigay ka ng rescue blow, dapat yung bibig mo, sakupin mo talaga yung bibig. Okay?
Nakabuka talaga, ma'am.
Hangin, kasi nga is baka mamaya is mali yung pag-head tilt chin lift mo.
Pero sa RD, ma'am, kailangan may
Head tip
pumasok
chin.
pa namin.
Ay, kailangan meron. Kung talagang wala, yun nga, better luck next cycle. Okay? So, kung talagang ayaw pumasok, reposition lang yung head ng ating victim. And then head tilt chin lift on the head and the nose. Baka mamaya is
Mali yung pag
ay nagkamali ka lang ng position ng head.
Paano ma'am pag one cycle pa lang meron na? Pwede mo nang hindi...
Oo.
hanggang 5.
Kailangan pa rin yun ma'am hanggang 5.
Oo.
Kahit na may na po, may pumapasok na hangin.
Oo. Mas maganda kung may pumapasok.
Pagkatapos ng 5, ma'am, wala na.
So after 5 cycle, o kunyari, nagbigay ang last, diba, give 2 blows. Okay? Check for the pulse and breathing. Dito ulit.
pagtapos ng
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's say that the victim has pulse and breathing na place the victim in recovery position. Okay, so kung totoong tao ito, 'di ba? Sa ating bed positioning, 'di ba? Tinaas natin yung kamay, yung pinasaidan, taas mo yung kamay, tapos
Side lying.
cross yung paa,
Side
and then
Side lying position.
side lying. So this is the recovery position.
Ah,
After 5 cycle talaga i-check yung pulse.
Oo.
Eh paano po
Pulse and
pagka,
breathing.
kunyari, sa pang 3rd cycle meron na?
Huminga
Hindi.
lang siya.
Kailangan mo tapusin muna yung 5 cycle.
5 cycle.
5 cycle pa.
Bago mag-check
yung
ng
5 cycle before
pulse.
you are going to check for the pulse and the breathing.
breathing. Ah.
Kung nagising agad.
Di you stop na. Kung bigla na siyang nagising. You stop na din siya.
Kahit hindi pa tapos.
Okay na, okay na.
Hanggat hindi nagigising, hindi ka titigil.
Oo. It is scare natin. Diba? Let's say, after 5 cycle, na-check mo, check pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The victim has no pulse. The victim has no breathing but has pulse. Okay? Walang breathing pero may pulso. Okay, so ano ang gagawin mo? You have to give what?
Ano yun?
Rescue
Rescue breathing.
Ilan? Ilan ang
Saan nga yan?
ibigay mo? Kung adult ito, ilang rescue breathing?
10 to 12, ay 20 to
20
24.
to 24. So, gagawin mo ngayon, 20 to 24 rescue breathing. Head, tail, chin, lip, pinch the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 24. O, ganun. Hanggang 24 mo ibibigay yung rescue breath.
Pero ang bilang niya ma'am, ilan?
1, 2, 3.
24 rescue breathing with the 5 seconds interval. Yung ginawa ko,
1, 2, 3, 1.
kaya
1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
1. Ibig sabihin,
Yun na yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 2.
Kasi every 5 seconds siya, bigyan ng breathing, ma'am.
Oo, ng rescue breath.
Hindi na yun
Nagigets?
10.
Yes.
O, let's say naman. Ayun. Nung na-check mo ulit, nag-check tayo ulit the victim has no pulse and not breathing pa rin.
Vietnam ay call 911 lang, di ba?
Tapos na.
Ayan na nga yung 911 na
Bago ka mag...
Hindi pa
Wala pa rin 911. O, nakapag-5 cycle na tayo. Nung nag-check ka ng pulse and breathing, wala pa rin. No pulse and breathing. O, another 5 cycle.
hanggang dumating yung rescue. Ganun.
Hanggat hindi dumarating 911.
Hanggang hindi nakarating yung EMS, diretso. Sabi nga natin, you have to stop CPR pag dumating na EMS o kung pagod ka na or kung ayaw niya nang lumaban para sa'yo, Ma'am Liza.
Ay.
Kung ayaw niya nang lumaban sa'yo, you have to stop CPR. Okay, check for the victim responsiveness. Hazer, are you okay? Hazer, are you okay? The victim is unresponsive. Check for the pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The victim has no pulse and breathing. Activate BNS. Hey you ma'am or sir, call 911, get an AED and report back to me. Begin CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 1. At,
Bilis! 1, 2, 3, 4,
hala, hindi na gano'n.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2.
Ay, ito na pala.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hanggang 5.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi pumasok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check for the pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The victim has pulse and breathing. Place the victim in recovery position.
Side lang. Recover position.
That's recovery position. Okay, may tanong? Patay tapos.
Ma'am,
Oo.
yung placement ng kamay.
May dumating na AAD.
Sabihin sa inyo.
Na AAD. Okay, so this is our AAD. Okay, so we place the AAD at the top of the head or bandang taas ng patient. Okay, sabi nga natin, we are not going to use AAD pag sa wet area or dapat kung basa yung damit, you have to remove the damit or the clothes of the victim. Dapat, hindi siya wet or hindi basa. Okay, so dapat hindi rin doon sa may metal surface din. Okay? So may AAD na tayo.
Adult patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button.
Kasi meron din child button dito kung siya.
Remove clothing from the patient's chest. Remove packet and apply pads onto patient's bare skin.
Okay, so ito yung packet. Okay.
Apply pads as shown in the pictures.
So makikita mo naman to dito sa packet kung saan mo
Remove
ilalagay.
packet and apply pads onto patient's bare skin.
Okay, so kung ito, dito natin siya
Apply
ilalagay.
pads as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly on skin. Apply pads as shown in the picture. Press pads firmly on skin.
So
Do
sundin
not
lang
touch
natin
the
yung
patient.
instruction.
Analyzing heart rhythm.
Do not touch.
Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear.
Clear.
Press
Clear.
the flashing shock button.
Press the red button.
Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
Begin CPR. So sundan na natin yung tunog na yan.
10, 20, 30. Give 2 breaths.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
10,
Susundan natin kasi yung tunog, ay yung instruction.
20, 30. Give 2 breath. 10, 20, 30. Give 2 breath.
Ganun na rin yun, no?
10, 20, 30. Give 2 breath.
Pag hindi niya sinabing mag-stop ka, dire-diretso.
10,
Nabubuhay ba yung manikin mo?
Hindi.
Yung dumamaya ka talaga dyan.
Limang cycle din.
Sobra pa.
Gamitin din namin yan ma'am sa demo.
breath. Stop CPR. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear.
Clear.
Press the flashing shock button. Shock delivered. Begin
Oo,
CPR.
tama na. Pagod ka. Ay.
That's our
Adult pa
adult
lang yan. So, we
CPR.
have ano pa?
Infant and child.
Child pa.
Ay, tatlo ba sila, ma'am?
Tatlo.
Hindi, infant tayo, infant.
Kasi same lang ata siya.
Dyan is you have to check, you have to check for the responsiveness dito sa
talampakan.
sa talampakan or sa sole of the feet lang. Okay, so let's say, survey the scene is safe, check for the victim responsiveness. Ayun, so baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? And then, the victim is unresponsive, check for the pulse and breathing. So dito, kung sa adult, carotid, dito sa brachial pulse tayo.
Brachial.
Sa brachial pulse. Okay? Brachial pulse tayo. And then, after checking for the brachial pulse, check for the pulse dito hanggang 5 lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I-note nyo na lang yung pinagkaiba ng infant CPR. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The victim has no pulse and breathing. Activate EMS. Hey, user, call 911. Get an AED and report back to me. Okay? Begin CPR. So, dito naman, pag begin CPR, dahil infant ito, 2 fingers lang tayo. Okay? 2 fingers lang tayo dito. Pwedeng ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or pwede rin, dalawang thumb, dapat naka-encircle yung dalawang thumb mo sa body ng victim or ng infant. Pwedeng ganito. Okay, so 30 chest compression din ito. Okay, so after 30, give 2 blows. Dito, head tilt, chin lift din. Wala nang pinch the nose kasi wala ka namang ipipinch dyan kasi maliit
Liit ng
ng
ilong.
bata. So you can give rescue blows kasama na pati yung ilong.
Ay, sakop na nga.
Oh, kasi sakop na ng bibig mo.
Ma'am, paano maliit yung bibig?
Maliit nga yung bibig.
Ako naniniwala mo.
Ma'am, maliit yung bibig ko. Paano
Ang
yung
galing. Do not pinch the nose kasi isasama mo yung pag-give ng rescue. Blow. May pumasok?
Wala pa.
Pero dito, 3 seconds lang yung interval. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Chest compression. Ganun din, 5 cycle. Mabilis masyado. 9, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3. Check for the pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The victim has pulse and breathing. Place the victim in recovery position. Pag infant, recovery position ganito.
Nakakargahin.
Nakaragahin ito. Recovery position. Okay, so kunyari, check for the pulse and breathing. No breathing, pero may pulse. Anong gagawin? Ilang rescue blow pag infant? 40. Okay, so kung 40 rescue blows yan, head, tail, chin, lift. 1, 2, 3, ay 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 5. Hanggang 40 yun. Okay? Pero no pulse and not breathing. O, balik ko ulit sa 5 cycle of CPR. Nagigets na? Yes. Okay, so yun ay ano pa lang yun. Kaya-kaya nyo yan. Kasi hanggang itong week na lang yung ating BLS module. Oo, hindi na tayo
Ay, salamat. Party-party na.
Sino magpapaparty dito? Ang mga last module.
Last sila na yan.
Akala ko ma'am, sabay na.
Madaya. So same pa rin. Sorry, the scene is safe. Check for the obstruction.
Sa Biyernes.
Okay? When we say check for obstruction, tignan natin yung syempre saan ba may obstruction? Syempre nandun sa bunganga. Okay?
Baka minaw.
O, alam nga sabi, check for obstruction. Saan ka nag-check? Syempre dito. O, check
Sa
for
bibig.
obstruction,
Okay na.
obstruction not seen. Check for the pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The victim has no pulse and breathing. Activate EMS. Hey you sir, call 911. Hey you ma'am, call 911. Get an AED and report back to me. Okay. Perform 5 back blows. Okay. Ganito tayo. Get the infant. Okay. 5 back blows. Lift natin ng ganon. So dapat, ang position ng bata, pag nagpa 5 back blows tayo, medyo paslant ng ganyan.
Nakangat importante.
Oo. Kasi syempre pag ganon, 5 back blows.
Sa ilalim mo.
Oh, hindi
Papasok lalo.
hindi maluluwa yung obstruction. Okay, so dapat may ganon para yung pressure papunta sa ibaba. Okay? So perform 5 back blows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 abdominal thrust. Lift lang natin ng baby ganyan and then 5 abdominal thrust dito. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 chest compression, pwedeng dito or pwede mo siyang ihatag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Kasi 30 chest compression, di kagaya ng kanina may 5 cycle. Dito, walang cycle. Okay? Walang cycle dito. So, after 30 chest compression, check for the obstruction. Obstruction not seen. Give 2 blows. 1, 2, 3. Air bounces back. Air bounces back. The victim is still choking. Okay, perform again 5 back blows. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 abdominal thrust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 chest compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Check for obstruction. Obstruction is seen. Remove obstruction by finger sweep. So, pag nag-remove, yung maliit lang na daliri yung gagamitin, hindi yung malaki. Kasi, pag
Hindi
malaki,
kasya.
o dahil sa maliit lang yung bibig niya, lulubog ulit yung obstruction. Okay? Remove obstruction by finger sweep. Para ma-confirm, baka mamaya meron pang may natira. Okay? So, we have to give 2 blows. 1, 2, 3. Air does not bounce back. Ibig sabihin, pumasok na yung hangin. Air does not bounce back. The victim is not choking. Check for the pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The victim has pulse and breathing. Place the victim in recovery position. Okay, so dito, bakit nagpe-perform tayo ng ng 30 chest compression? Kasi because pag nag-give tayo ng 30 chest compression, merong pressure sa loob. Okay? So yung obstruction doon, pwede niyang ilabas. Okay? Kaya nagbibigay tayo ng 30 chest compression. Eh bakit naman ma'am, nagbibigay pa rin tayo ng rescue floor? Eh di syempre, papasok ulit yung obstruction. Kasi paloob yung nagbibigay tayo ng hangin. Okay? So yung air na binibigay natin, it will helps to dislodge the obstruction naman. Okay? Hindi ibig sabihin, mas mahirap pa nga kung painumin mo ng tubig eh.
Lalong babara.
So mas lalong babara. Okay? So the air na papasok pwedeng ma-dislodge yung obstruction. Okay? Nagigets na ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayun. So yan yung gagawin ninyo. Memorize this. Natin. Okay. So let's say that yung victim, nakita mo yung victim, sabi ng victim, gumaganyan-ganyan.
Ibig sabihin,
Okay, so ibig
na-choke.
sabihin that the victim is choking.
Choking.
Okay, so ibig sabihin conscious siya. Okay, so you have to approach the victim. So assess mo muna yung victim. Tanong mo, approach mo. Oh, hey you ma'am, hey you sir, are you choking? O pag nagtumango siya, nagnad ng head, ibig sabihin, he is choking. Anong gagawin mo next? Ma'am, do you want me to help you? Okay, sabi niya, yes. Okay, nagtango ulit. Okay, so anong gagawin mo? Kung yung pasyente mo ay nasa sakaling. Sakaling. Ayun, kasi sabi niya, o sige, tulungan mo. Pero nagnad siya. Okay, hindi na siya makapagsalita kasi syempre choking
Tumango
na.
lang.
Hindi
Tumango
na.
siya, ibig sabihin, tulungan mo. Okay, so what will you do? Okay, so, ay, nag-ano ko lang. Kung ito yung victim, okay, so, go to the back or position yourself at the back of the victim, okay, or at the behind of the victim. So, kung ito yung victim, okay, yung dalawang paa niya, okay, i-spread mo ng ganon.
Spread.
Okay? Tapos, yung isang paa mo between ng legs ni
Dapat
victim.
nakaganyan.
Okay? And then, kung nakaganito siya, ask the victim or the victim to, tawag dito, yumuko ng konti. Okay? Kunyari, yumuko na siyang ganyan. So, bakit ba nilagay natin yung leg natin dun sa in between ng leg ng victim?
Hindi siya mahulog ng
Hindi mahirapan.
drop ng diretso.
Okay, so pwede naman ganon. Okay, so ginawa natin yon is kasi baka biglang mawala ng malay yung victim mo. So this is to support
Support
the
the
victim para pag nawala ng malay, nasalo mo na. Okay? Support ng paa mo. Okay, pero ito, nahawakan mo pa rin yung victim. Okay, so place, ano gagawin natin? We are going to perform a abdominal thrust dito. Okay, so abdominal thrust. Okay, so place your, ito yung fist natin, di ba? This is the fist. Okay, so place the thumb inside your fist. Ito yon. Ito yon. So place your thumb inside your fist. So, ito yon. And then, locate the navel. Saan ba yung navel? Pusod. Ito.
Pusod.
Okay, ito yung pusod. And then, above that, okay, ito, yung abdominal.
Sa may sikmura.
Sa may sikmura. Okay? Dito tayo magpe-perform ng abdominal thrust. Okay? Inward to upward. Ganyan. Inward to upward yung.
Ilan yan, ma'am?
Ha?
Ilan?
Until the obstruction is expelled. Okay? So hanggang mawala yung obstruction. Okay? So ulit.
Paano nga yan, ma'am?
Okay. So assess mo muna yung patient kung nakita mo yung victim na nagaganon. So ibig sabihin, choking yon. Okay, so approach the victim. Sabi natin, ma'am, are you choking?
You
Pag
want
nag-nod ng head, okay, ibig sabihin, the victim is choking, and then ask a consent, ma'am, do you want me to help you? Pag nag-nod, ibig sabihin, tulungan mo
Paano
siya.
man pag mas malaki sa kanya, like sa amin, mas
Ayun,
malaki.
pag malaki sa'yo, ma'am, do not attempt.
Hindi mo kaya yan. Kailangan na ano yan
Kung
eh.
mas malaki
Ano
sa'yo,
namang lalaki?
mamaya,
Montog.
oo.
Ano
Baka
yun?
mamaya hindi mo kayang
Mabigat. Mabigat kasi yan.
For example,
Eh, do not attempt. Ang gagawin na. Ano
Call 911 mo.
kung 911 ka na, o hindi mo kaya.
Wala na, pagdating patay na yung patient.
Ang iba naman, yung iba naman, yung ano ng mesa, ginagano nila.
Ah,
Ito yung ina-abdominal thrust. Yung sa ano
sa
na
mesa. Or
ano
upuan.
Yung matigas. Sa matigas. Pag hindi kaya naman.
Oo, lalo na kung buntis yun.
Hala.
Kasi hindi mo naman
Ang hirap naman.
Sobrang dito ka lang. Yung ka na sa sinubra. Baka
Very macho.
Kaya kung malaki o mahirapan ka, kung sa tingin mo hindi mo kaya, di wag mo.
Bata naman ba
Pwede
sa
naman
bibig?
Pa inward to upward until the obstruction expelled. Ito kung
Inward
conscious yung patient. Okay? Paano kung biglang na unconscious, biglang nawala ng malay? Okay? Pero yung obstruction hindi natanggal. Okay, so anong gagawin mo? CPR. Oh. Place mo muna the victim in a lying position. Okay, kasi, ay, nawala ng malay. O, di nasalo mo siyang ganon. O, di dahan-dahan lagay mo siya, o, lying position. Okay, so after lying position, activate EMS. Hey, you ma'am, call 911, get an AED, and report back to me. And then, doon ka na mag-perform ng 30 chest compression na. 30 chest compression. 30. Dahil choking ito, check for the obstruction. Obstruction not seen. Okay? Give 2 blows. Okay? Give 2 blows tayo. Head tilt, chin lift, pinch the nose. Give 2 blows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Air bounces back, air bounces back. The victim is still choking. Okay? 30 chest compression ulit. 30 chest compression. 30. After 30 chest compression, check for obstruction. Obstruction is seen na. Anong gagawin mo pag obstruction is seen?
Check the...
Tanggalin, arm sweep. Remove obstruction by finger sweep. We are going to confirm. Anong gagawin natin? Give rescue blows ulit.
Meron
Give 2
pa.
blows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Air does not bounce back. Ibig sabihin that the victim is not choking na yon. Okay, anong gagawin? Check for the pulse. Pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The victim has no pulse and not breathing.
Anong gagawin?
5 seconds of CPR. Okay, kasi na din dito. Hindi pa kasama yung 5 seconds. Choking pa lang yung ginawa natin kasi dito. To remove the obstruction. Yes? No pulse and not breathing. You have to perform 5 seconds of CPR. Okay, so yun. After 5 cycles, check for the pulse and breathing. The victim has pulse but not breathing. 24 below ulit. O, the victim has pulse and breathing na. Alam nyo na. O, recovery
Recovery position.
O, yun lang naman ang sa adult choking.